I have the honor to present the letter of credit which Excellency, President of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, addressing to you, His Excellency. We are credited as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of Ethiopia to the Republic of Fiji. I am the honor to present my letter of credence.
Thank you very much. Your Excellency, I'm very pleased to receive your credentials and the letter of recall of your predecessor. I welcome you most warmly and sincerely to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a very happy and successful mission. Please convey to His Excellency the President of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia and the people of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity. Madam Ambassador, congratulations and welcome to Fiji. So good to have you with us. Come on.